The road is in a very deplorable condition. Certain time of day, we no matter want to work again, because by the time you come out from 6 o'clock in the morning, you know what, because you road tired in. So by the time they don't feel for bother come work. Because you road bad. Passenger ask the driver, you're not tired? We are saying you should even ask that the question there. Road bad, man. We want something to do to the road. Every week we buy parts. Week in, week out, parts. And 2 times a year we have to do fitness. And if we go down there, so, they might take away a car and dig off a place. And we have to do road license every year. We have to do road license.
We desperately need the road, isn't it? The road no good for the car and drive, but every 2 to 3 weeks. Bushing, shocks, all works, everything. The road not one boss. Not look good at all. It's not a good look. People can do something to it. They can't tell you no lie. You understand? Every 2 to 3 weeks I change parts. You know what I'm saying? Come like you know what I'm saying, never tried it. You understand what I'm saying? So I can see the condition of it. And the rain has much to people further. Desperately need help.
But it is bad, and I'm here today to support the residents and the people who traverse this area, because the National Work Agency road, and it's really in a bad condition. From the border of me to Temple Hall, it is in a terrible condition, and I would like something to be done urgently. They have to do something, because you see cars are dropping at the hole, people foot brake, they are hold up people in the vicinity of the area because the car then can't drive fast. And I ask the relevant authority, the National Work Agency, to do a tour on the road, the main road in the area, especially this one and the bus route. It is in a terrible condition. So I'm calling on the National Work Agency to just do something. And they don't want to block the road, but they might be frustrated and they do it because they travel to Tavern and unload passengers and they to get the bus to go to Kingston. But the road, the 2 sides of the road, bad. I am begging, pleading for some help for the residents of this area.